Welcome. In front of me I have MIBRO Watch Lite 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the home button. Once you see the MIBRO logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. In the meantime, let's go to the iPhone and let's download and install the MIBRO Fit application because it's required to pair the devices together. Go to your iPhone, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, and once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on Search, tap on the search bar, and type in MIBRO Fit. And tap on search. And you should see this application, MIBRO Fit, with this icon. Install it. It looks like it will take a while for the application to install, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, and as you can see, the application is done installing. Now we can tap on Open. And we have pop-ups about the permissions. This is the location permission. It's not required, but if you want to use features like local weather and other stuff that requires location, allow it. And then we have the Bluetooth permission. This one is required, so allow it. And then we have the notification permission, which is not required, but if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you will need to allow it. Okay. Do we have anything more? We can ask app to not to track the other stuff. Then we can tap on agree and continue. Select the service area, so tap here, scroll through the list, look for something you want to use. I'm gonna use United States, so it's going to be somewhere at the bottom here. Then tap on next step, and now we need to log in. If you don't have an account, you can always tap on no account, register now, or use the Google, Facebook, Apple, or WeChat, I believe, as an account. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password. Okay, should be good, and we can tap on login. And after you log in, you will see this page. Now tap on the device icon right here, and here we have the list of devices we can pair with our phone or iPhone. So find the little Lite 3 Pro, tap on add product, and we'll start searching for nearby devices, and it should detect your Lite 3 Pro. Tap on start connecting. Tap on the check mark on the watch. Tap on pair and on your iPhone. Allow all the permissions for the notifications. Here you can set up your activity targets like steps, exercise, and stuff like that by tapping on one and changing the value to whatever you want. And then you can tap on next. Right here we can adjust some settings for the heart rate. And tap next. Preferred wrist. And finally, you should see the device page. On it, you should see your Lite 3 Pro. And if you go to your watch, skip this, you should see the watch face and the watch should be ready to use. Also, if you open the quick panel, you will see the phone icon next to the battery icon, which indicates that the mode, or rather the watch, is paired with a phone, in our case, with our iPhone. And that's how you pair this watch with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.